Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Chevy Cruze. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.